Hello viewers, today it is 17th of September 2021 and time is 4 p.m. यानी दोपहर के लगभग 4 बज रहे हैं। फ्राइडे 17 सितंबर 2021। तो यहाँ पर आपके सामने है निफ्टी और बैंक निफ्टी का चार्ट। तो चलिएगा मैं यहाँ पे एनालिसिस कर रहा हूँ। आज का अगर आप ट्रेड देखेंगे तो निफ्टी यहाँ पर गैप अप ओपन हुआ। गैप अप होने के बाद ये इस तरीके से बाउंस हुआ। ओके। और ये एंटायर जो अप मूव है उसमें हमने हमने ये कहा था कि देखिएगा कि निफ्टी जो ऊपर जा रहा है तो यहाँ यहाँ पे उसको रेजिस्टेंस मिल रहा है। आप पिछले कुछ वीडियोस को भी देख लीजिएगा, आज जो भी वीडियोस मैंने पोस्ट किए हैं। लेकिन उस वीडियो में थोड़ा सा इशू ये हुआ था कि उस समय ये जो पेन है जो मैं यहाँ पे अलग अलग लेवल्स मार्क कर रहा था तो वहाँ पर वो नहीं दिखाई दे रहा था। एनीवे, सो आई वुड लाइक टू एक्सप्लेन दिस एंटायर मूव, हाउ वी ट्राई टू कैश द प्रॉफिट यूजिंग द TSL। ये देखिएगा ये इस तरीके का मूव हुआ। ये बैंक निफ्टी का और निफ्टी का दोनों का भी इस तरीके का हुआ। और ये देखिएगा यहाँ पर हम ऐसे इस तरीके से टी एस एल लगा के यहाँ पर हमने प्रॉफिट बुकिंग इस लेवल पे किया था। ओके, अब दैट टाइम द एक्सपेक्टेशन वाज फ्रॉम 17,800 Nifty is expected to fall to approach 17,000 and even 17,600, 28 to 616. So that was the expectation, and accordingly, we tried to ask all the clients to book the profit here in this level. Thereafter, you can observe there was a little bit sideways move, and it was expected that from here, Nifty will try to bounce. However, Nifty tried to stay below 17,628, and accordingly, we observed a rapid fall. Here again the clients were asked to buy Nifty and we tried to book the profit in this rally of the Nifty. Okay, anyway, that are the things that already happened in the market. However, what will happen on tomorrow regarding Nifty? So, since Nifty has tried to close above this 17,571 level, so on tomorrow, that is the next trading day, Monday, it is expected to rise, and from here again you may observe a fall to approach this 17,440 to 17,400. So this target, now the doors for this target are open in the Nifty. So it appears that it is sell on rise in Nifty now. So now let us try to see. This is the chart of Bank Nifty, and what we can do. This Bank Nifty has tried towards the end of the day. Bank Nifty has tried to rise. Bank Nifty has tried to rise to approach to this particular zone. However, it is not able to pierce this zone. Yes. So what does it mean? It means that it has a weakness. It has a weakness. Yes, and again it is expected to fall. It is expected to fall to approach 37,500 to 37,350. So this target is expected on Monday, and when Bank Nifty tries to stay below 37,340, that time you can even expect Bank Nifty to approach 37,000. Where will be your stop loss? Now, your stop loss will be above 38,000. So this is the, so these are the spot levels. These are the spot levels. So this is my expectation regarding Nifty and Bank Nifty. If you want to check the daily chart, daily candlestick pattern, then here you can observe what is this. This is nothing but a bearish hanging man. Bearish hanging man needs confirmation. So it may be possible that on Monday there can be a gap down opening. There can be a gap down opening, and then you may observe this entire red candle red candle. Okay, so when Bank Nifty will try to trade below today's low, then it will be more bearish. Till then, from intraday perspective only, we will try to short Bank Nifty. We are keeping clear watch on the stop loss as already mentioned. If you try to see a bigger picture in the Nifty and Bank Nifty, then at actually there is no trend reversal sign at all. Okay, there is no trend reversal sign at all. Just a minute, I will show you this Nifty chart again. So let me mark this line. As long as this line is valid, as long as this line is valid, it is it is uptrend for the Nifty, uptrend for the Nifty. Okay, so on Monday, even if it tries to fall to approach this particular price level, that is 17,570 to 17,435, 17,440 to 17,400, even if it tries to approach here, but from here we may observe a bounce. The closing below this trend line will ask for further fall in the Nifty. But as of now, we don't see any such fall as long as this trend line is valid. Okay, we will talk about this later on. Late this candle to close. Okay, on Monday or Tuesday. Thereafter, the next doors may open. Yeah. Similarly, for Bank Nifty also, if we try to see the daily chart, then actual trend is still up. Okay, but from intraday perspective, we will try to go for the short sale in Bank Nifty with a stop loss above 38,000. Yes, so 38,050, this can be considered as a stop loss, or 38,051, this can be considered as a stop loss, and you may expect Bank Nifty to fall to approach 37,000. Thank you very much for watching this video.